Press stop reset.
How many people
No,
does it
'cause
take
that's
to
the
operate a
clock.
microwave?
Don't put my family.
Clock.
Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah.
You're not spinning.
I know, they're just not spinning thing.
It's just gonna melt.
A minute's no, they're puffing up. A minute's way too long.
We should have put it in.
A minute's
They're
not
getting
long.
bigger.
Oh my god.
It's completely enough time, Maya. They're literally 30 seconds and we're fine. Now we're gonna like burn it.
No.
Oh, there's like 6 fucking packs of stairs too.
Look at how
One giant marshmallow bunny.
I call it boobs.
Dude, the whole microwave is gonna be a marshmallow.
Who gives a fuck?
Ready to let it minute, guys.
Definitely not. No.
Yes,
We're gonna go
they're
to
not
hell
all
for
swollen
this.
yet.
They're completely all swollen.
Hold
Wait,
on.
no, just open it and look at them first.
No, add 30 seconds.
Alright, go.
Poke it, see how funny it is.
Alright, come on, know the minute.
Dude, we're just getting a spoon and we're just gonna eat that.
Yeah, exactly.
It's gonna be like, it's gonna be so good.
No,
Just
Philly.
go to class.
Dude, come on.
During the middle of mid lesson.
Wait, you fucking 30
Come out for
minutes?
snack, and we see the whole loft on fire. Like,
What the bloody hell?
We're gonna stop it, right?
Oh, wait, you're in class here.
yeah, I have one
Someone's gonna be rehearsing their lines and the microwave's just gonna blow up.
It's just gonna like.
Alright, it's gonna be totally fucking hilarious.
What?
We're in the bathroom? I still have these backpacks on there. I don't know.
You just put it in the bathroom.
Come on, explode already.
Alright, let me see. You guys don't have to keep it. Alright, we should stop.